Most definitely, so we'll get a word from the speaker himself, J. Funanti Koffa. We have G. Koffa Waswa, the director of the National Fire Service Bureau here, Gregory Koma, Inspector General of the Liberia National Police is also here. Will we get a word or two from them? We don't know. G.
Mr. President, welcome.
And His Excellency will still be in this tete-a-tete. Still in this tete-a-tete. What caused the fire? We don't know. But I'm like right next to the Minister of State with a portfolio.
Mr. President, welcome. Mr. President, welcome to the media. What can you describe this project in Liberia history?
And all right, His Excellency.
Occurring everywhere, something like but this one, yes, nobody did corrective measures.
I'm sure this must be touching, Mr. President. This must be touching.
Mr. President. It has to be for you to build a house. Luckily, they were here. What if they were not here? We would thank God that they were here. Fire is fire. And so, but we thank God at least. Life, no life, that is destroyed.
The corrective measures seem not to be reflected in the national
His Excellency briefly talking with us. His Excellency in a brief chit chat right here on the front line at the residence of J. Funanti Koffa, the Speaker of the House of Representatives. And just a fortnight ago, if you will recall, I saw the Speaker, a CDC representative at the House of Legislature. That's the funeral of the former Associate Chief Justice Joseph Nangwe. Today, and as we speak, His Excellency the President squeals out here at the residence of J. Funanti Koffa. He's upbeat. Indeed, he's upbeat. What is the story like from the man Funanti Koffa, the victim of this fire incident? Let's see. Sensitive Kuya, the Minister of State without portfolio, is also here as the convoy will roll off. But let's get a word or two from the victim himself. This is Liberia. Fire is indeed one of if you're just joining us, this is the Executive Mansion online platform. J. Funanti Koffa is the victim of this fire incident. He's the Speaker of the House of Representatives, but we will attempt to interrupt. Mr. Speaker, welcome to the Executive Mansion online platform. You care to give us your story as far as this fire incident is concerned?
Well,
what went wrong? What happened?
Well, we don't know. It's under investigation. We are happy and grateful that no lives were lost.
Have you sensed that something went wrong when you called for an investigation in your last press conference?
No, in any fire event, there has to be investigation of cause of origin.
How was the fire news broken out? How did you get to know? How did the residents
One
get
of
to
the
know?
security told us that the theater area was on fire, and we evacuated immediately.
You just left as it was.
Yes, we came down.
So to what extent did the fire?
But the entire second floor is gutted. Everything there is destroyed.
Okay, Mr.
Honorable Speaker,
The ground floor is okay.
Honorable Speaker, listening to you, you were chatting with the president and you were mentioning something like documents. What were you saying exactly?
No, just doing that. Most of my documents are in my office on the ground floor, and none of them was destroyed.
As a normal
none of
human
them
being, I'm sure
destroyed.
you are a normal human being.
Sure,
But
I think
indeed,
so.
how has this hit you? Be strict
I don't think it has hit yet. When it hit, I will let you know.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. So,
And the director of the National Fire Service Bureau is here. G. Worsford Bafor is here. We don't know if we can talk to Bafor. We don't know if we can talk to Bafor. G. Worsford Bafor is here. We hope to get Gregory Coleman is also here. We don't know. But let's see if we can get to Bafor. All right, and so if you're there, we'd like to say thanks a million for viewing. The team is headed by Madam Kula Fofana. Joe Blackie is here, my cameraman, and the rest of the team. My name is Emmanuel Kipat. Thanks a million for viewing. This is the Executive Mansion online platform.